Ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo ka we na Islam ajingkai hapo ka them RIBHOI mentau snem sa sisian kala PAW KYRTENG BIANG hapo ka top 20 HAKA result bala penmi da ke embos lingba ka jingla ki arngot ki khna jong ka school banjele ba ke exam bat kalawan ra ru ya ke jingkmen ka bakrau ya kin hinkai lem bat ya ka principal ha ka ba baro ki khna ki batho ya ka exam matric mentau snem kila ya pass lut itu ki argut ki balawan ha top 20 ki top yo Saraf Pandi balawan ha kerdan ke balai hapo ka top 20 da ka bayo kulum ya ka marks hado sanspa nyo punriu wat ka Nandini Kumari kelawan ha top banriu jong ka top 20 da ka bayo kulum ya ki marks hado sanspa ndip khandai ka kong WB bala ka principal jong ka Alpha Higher Secondary School kalapan PAW ya ka mesim ke jingkmen banyu i bagi kena school kin tiu biang ya ka nam jong ka school hapo ka top 20 hak jo por kelapan benaru ba kino ki khna na pok school ki bawan top kin jo bon pateng ya ke jing puli jong ki ha ka class 11 but 12 klem dan kam ban CWA wat ka long ru ba ya kni la jule ma laus nem na ka balong ru kum ke jing ai men sim ki khna school ba kin yele ba ki exam jong ki
Over the moon about my results. It has been really good, and first of all I like to thank God for all His blessings. He has always been with me whenever I needed Him, and ma'am for always supporting me and all of us, all and the whole class, and all the teachers who have been through, who have worked together with me, and without them it wouldn't have been possible. And my tutor and my parents, of course, they have always encouraged me to work hard and to do my best. So I'm really thankful to all of them. It's just we need to be consistent. We have to work bit by bit, but every day we should be consistent with our studies, and we should not be distracted. We should avoid distractions and just keep doing our work sincerely. I was involved in sports as well. I used to play games and all during the recreation week and all, which was held in our school. And yeah, we should always we should study, but then at the same time we should also be involved into some games so that we are fit physically as well. It's not about how many hours we should study, but it's about if we study only for 1 hour, we should be sincere with that. We should study with full focus. So usually I used to study besides school is for 5 hours after school, and in the morning 2 hours. Yeah, you should be confident. You should have confidence. Self-confidence is really important. And you should trust yourself, trust the process, trust yourself, and you will do great.
Thank you. Principal, Jong Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo. Sa sisian pa nas ngong nungkong ay man ay ngu yu blay. Ya kan ni result ka babaha kan ni snemro. Hoy kadon kijing tot kan dia ka kijing penbana jong ki ya ka result akasni Saturday ka baga day ka syuti ya ki school jan baru. Lada day ba ni don ki kena school mutasi. Kejingnya syat, kejingnya kemen kan long ke ba. Semua tenak dah dok tapat ki mi ki kena school ke ba mi ke resort ki pas wan sekemat ki ni oban wan sya school lang ba ki mi ki pa. Rewal kat taru kata ke kejing start jong ka mikliam Board of School Education bakila peni ya ka resort akan ni ka sengi. Pat kong ka principal ada sengaw ngo shisha yaw blay bat kumju ru ya kinong hikai ya ki kemi ki pa ki ba krisyan ya ki ya kejat bat kumju ru ya ki kena school khamtam ya ki kini ki ba wan shakmat kumu Saraf Pandi bawan haka third position bat kumju ru Nandini Kumari iba wan haka sixth position. Hajing syangi don syuk sa lainut kena kiban kami unti kumi kadiala sungo iyo 92.16%, piba susing tangsang iyo 92.33%, Ashwarya Shah iyo 91.83%. Ka result jong kababaha jong kini kikna kadai nung kong nagajing tre hitong jong ki kajing long jong kini kena baro hi kini ki bawan chakman dakajing tre hitong kajing bet thong jong ni na school kinong hikai ba ki kini ki pa nai nung kong ngai I dai kajing long babaha jong ki kajing long nyet sneng ko ngu sneng jong ki kajing long ba kajing ya simbenta jong ki haki program jong school baro lahapo school ni Shabar block level, district level, state level kini ki kena ki jushim benta nakapor sakapor but kuai ka mga i galong borobor ba ki minot ki assignments jumki ki minot ki jing ko jumki yo ki don kan ka regular study habit but ka mga i ru ba kini kena kimdai ki ba long distracted lani ki ba bun kama ki mobile lani ha ki serial lani ha ka kam ki ba kumni kumtai Ki cuci mata ki kam untuk sports lagi ki quiz competition, science exhibition, ki program ki paper. Tengasnya ba kekubor ke mga kuat ban ayah ki kun ki ti jongi ki kena school jongi bangan ngek scam na ki school baro ba entah snem RIBHOI ni don sakiwai ba ki school artli ki ba poilang ha ka position jong top 20 ni ai kublai lang ya ki ru kumjo ba ngek scam ba kakubor ka bangi kung kinong hikay ba kinong penya school kalong ba kikon kikti jongi kidai ban suto ba kani ka pertai jing yakop jing le ba kimla ban chu shong thai lani ban chu ki jing puli jongki ban pelak mi ta kini kitai ki ka ban shimno ya kapor jongki ban chu plut por kai ha ki ba shimno por jongki na jing puli jongki ya aku belajar T7 berbor ke baju don bat ni ki program ke school baru bat mentak lawan kenang sini school jungi ban ai kini kubor ba don kata ka shortcut to success except hard work don ke jing kanu kelenti minyak penekot kumnu ban pois ke jing job like tang da ke jing trai stom ke jing trai minat jungi an incentive from the school. Any of these students who are on the top list, those students who got 90% and above in the SSLC exams 2025 or every year, the school usually give free education, that means 100% fee concession if they join the school again.
Yeah, on this today when I got to hear the news, I was really very happy in knowing that she has got in the top 10 list. I'm really grateful to the school department, all the teachers, respected ma'am, who were always having an information and guidance giving towards, like whenever the result were being distributed, I think they will be giving some guidance and some tips that where she need to focus much more. That also really helped her in doing her in her studies to get much better year by year, and as she was studying from her childhood, so I think the total whatever she had been doing get the knowledge from the school itself. And besides her, what she just now said, that she was working hard, she was having confidence that she can do better, and today she has got the result also. So she also happy, and I am really very happy and excited as well. So that is all that what I have to say.